With cabinets, it is the details that matter, and crown molding is one of those details that will really help your cabinets to stand out. Molding is precision work. Make sure that your tape measure is very high quality. And be sure to measure exactly. When installing molding, it's a good idea to invest in a high-quality miter saw. A good miter saw cuts precise angles, in this case 45 degrees. There are two applications for installing crown molding on the cabinets. This first application is a face frame type. After you've made one end cut on your front piece for your crown molding, you need to change the direction of the saw. You need to cut another 45-degree angle on the opposite end of the molding. Remember to mark your molding precisely and cut on the outside of your lines. You don't want to have a piece that ends up a little bit too short. Check your measurements to make sure that they're right. And then set a couple of cleats on the top of the doors of this cabinet. These cleats act as spacers, which allow you to put the crown molding exactly where you need it. The spacers are there because if the crown molding touches the doors, then the doors won't open correctly. A small finish nailer or brad nailer is an essential tool when installing crown molding. You'll notice that this cabinet that we're putting this crown molding on is sitting on a workbench. Normally, the cabinet is going to be installed and up on the wall. However, it's easier for you to see us install the crown molding if we do it on a workbench. The first cut we made on this piece of molding was a miter cut, 45 degrees. The second cut we made was a straight cut. This cut fits against the wall. Make sure the molding line up perfectly, and then use the finish nailer to make sure it's secure. To install crown molding on a frameless cabinet, you need to put some backing for the crown molding to attach to, since the doors go all the way to the edge. With our cabinets, you can order some extra furring strips, and those furring strips add a little bit of dimension to the cabinet so the crown molding has something to nail to. These L-shaped furring strips are very, very strong and provide a place for the crown molding to attach to. These are just layers, and this is the bottom layer for the crown molding on a frameless cabinet. Once your secure base is attached to the cabinet, it's easy to put the crown molding on. Just make sure everything is cut right and that you've aligned things perfectly. Then give it a shot with a nail gun, and it looks terrific. Take your time with your molding projects, and you won't be disappointed.